Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to draw and color strawberry, pineapple and grapes together. Let's paint strawberry together. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start coloring. Green. Red. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Brown. Good job. Now let's paint the pineapple. Now we make the painting beautiful with magic. Let's start coloring. Violet. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Green. Good job! Let's paint the beautiful grape together. Please like and subscribe my channel. Now we make the painting beautiful with magic. Let's start coloring. Violet, red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, green,